Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome back to TechBlock. Today we are back with an unboxing video. You already know what it is. It is the GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card. So NVIDIA reached out to me and asked me whether or not I'd like an RTX 2060 graphics card sent to me. So I'm like, hell yeah dude, send one over. And you all should have seen my reaction when I saw the email from NVIDIA. I'm like, no freaking way NVIDIA's emailed me. But yeah, they did. They sent a card over. I'm a bit late though to the whole RTX 2060 thing, as this card launched on January 15th. It's available to buy, worldwide probably. Link in description to this card as well if you want to go buy one yourself. So I am a bit late to the whole RTX 2060 thing. So this arrived like a week ago, but I've not been home for the past 2 weeks, so I couldn't really make a video about it as I was in Los Angeles for 2 weeks. That was the first time ever me going abroad, I guess, on holiday. I don't know if you'd really call it a holiday, but yeah, I guess it was a holiday. It was awesome. I definitely want to go back to Los Angeles pretty soon. It would have been a whole lot better if it didn't rain so damn much whilst I was there. Apparently that was like the most rain LA has experienced in like the last 10 years or something. And that was during the 2 weeks I was there. So the weather wasn't the best, but when it was sunny, man, Los Angeles was freaking awesome. We went to Venice Beach, we went to Santa Monica, we went to downtown LA, we went to the whole Sky Space thing, we went on the Sky Slide. I wish I would have recorded more of the trip. I pretty much only recorded the vlog there, and that's it. However, I do have like tons of stuff over on Instagram, so if you want to, I guess, know more about what I get up to when I'm not posting YouTube videos, check out my Instagram. TechBlock M is my handle, or link in description as well to my Instagram. But enough about that. Let's just unbox this freaking graphics card, dude. Thank you NVIDIA, if you're watching this, for actually sending over the RTX 2060. I appreciate it, and this is going to be going into an upcoming PC build, if not maybe multiple PC builds. I don't know, we'll see what happens really, but there we go. Here's the box, right? I know I get comments all the time about me just like rambling instead of getting to the point and stuff, but hey, it is what it is. So let's open up this graphics card. I don't think I've ever seen a reference NVIDIA graphics card in person. Now, I believe this is like the Founders Edition or whatever. So I don't think I cut this side enough. There we go. There we go. Now we're talking. Right. Y'all ready? Now, I don't know what's going to happen after this. I don't think I've watched any unboxings of this card. Oh, damn, dude. Right. RTX 2060 here, dude. Ray tracing and all that good stuff. Now, there we go. Let's take this guy out. It's a pretty heavy graphics card. Right, we got something here as well, dude. Oh, my PC's falling asleep as well. Right, so in here we have a GeForce RTX 2060 quick start guide. And then we've got another booklet in here as well, GeForce RTX support guide as well. I doubt I'll be using either of them, so let's just pop this guy back there. Right, so let's take a look at the actual graphics card itself. So let's just take it out of its packaging first of all. There we go. There we go. Oh man, GeForce RTX, damn dude. All right, so here's the RTX 2060, dude. So we've got a little RTX logo right there. We've got some plastic film here as well. So y'all ready? Damn. For a reference card, this looks pretty nice in my opinion. We have a nice dual fan design over here. Hope these aren't too loud. We've got, RTX 2060 right there. We've got GeForce RTX over on the side as well. A single 8-pin power connector right here. We've got 2 screws here for God knows what that is for. But yeah, pretty nice little card. I like the backplate on it. I think this would look nice on like a white PC case. So I think that's what I'm going to try to do, as I did get some other packages delivered this morning as well, as I'm finally back home. Now what I'm quite interested in is how the RTX 2060 is going to perform against my RX Vega 64. Now I'm going to be testing a few games like Battlefield and stuff, as well as Adobe Premiere, as I'm a YouTuber and ideally, I want the best performance on Adobe Premiere possible. So I'm going to test the RX Vega 64 against the RTX 2060 right here, as they're both kind of similarly priced at the moment. The RX Vega cards have dropped in price once again, I believe, and the ASUS STRIX one costs £400 in the UK right now, whereas the ASUS STRIX RTX 2060 costs around £430. So both cards are very similarly priced and both perform pretty similar, I guess. The RTX 2060 wins in some games, and the VEGA 64 card wins in some other games. Now I am going to be testing both of the cards myself, of course, on my AMD 2700X CPU, 32 gigs of RAM from HyperX and stuff. So I'm going to test a few games myself, and of course Adobe Premiere, as that is something I'm interested in, and ideally I want the best performance possible on Adobe Premiere. Now, for some reason I feel like the RTX 2060 will perform a lot better in Adobe Premiere than the RX VEGA 64 card, just because of like optimization and stuff. But I'm gonna have to wait a while until the actual PC build comes out featuring this card. Now, speaking of the brand new PC build, it is of course going to feature the RTX 2060, a brand new PC case, a brand new SSD as well, and a whole set of addressable RGB LED fans as well. So that's pretty much all the like new stuff, but we're keeping the same CPU, we're keeping the same motherboard, RAM, and the same CPU cooler, and everything else is pretty much being replaced. So that's gonna be sick. I look forward to actually jumping on to the RTX 2060 here and seeing how it's actually going to compare against the VEGA 64 card that's currently in my PC. As so far, the VEGA 64 card has been pretty good. I've played quite a few games on the ultra-wide monitor here. They've been fine, no real performance issues at all. And in terms of like workstation type stuff, I guess, like Adobe Premiere, performance is good. No real complaints on my end. It's a big improvement over the GTX 970 that was in there previously. So this is going to be exciting. Both pretty similarly priced graphics cards here, and I think it'll be quite interesting to see how both of those cards kind of like stack up against each other and stuff. But yeah, apart from that, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video and kind of little talk between us here. But yeah, thanks for watching once again, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.